Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Zahir Math. In today's video, we will cover module 2, exercise number 1.6, where we will focus on polynomial equations, radical equations and rational equations. Three type of equations we are going to concentrate. What are they? Polynomial. Radical means what? Square root. Rational equations. Before solving each questions, make sure to highlight the keywords. What are the keywords? Factoring, something like that. Keywords in the problem statement. This is very important for understanding what the question is asking. We will start with first polynomial equations by factoring. Then slowly I move it to quadratic type of equations. Then finally I cover radical and rational equations. Okay, everybody? Right. So let's start this question. Solve the equation 3x power 4 equals 48x square. I'm going to write this as 3x power 4 minus 48x square equal to 0. They mention factoring and they mention solve. Factoring in the sense in Arabic, amal mushtarak. Okay. Before going to this, let me do this number 48 as we do in the school. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2, 12 2s are 24, 2, 6 2s are 2, and then 2, 3 2s are 6. So how many 2s? 4 2s and 1 3. Until you get 1, you have to do it. Okay? Right. Yes. Now what I'm going to do one thing. Just listen. 3x power 4 I'm writing as x, x, x and then x. Clear? And then minus this 48, I'm writing this as 2, 2, 2, 2 and then 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And then this x square, I'm writing x, x equal to 0. Clear everybody? Right. Now I'm going to take amal mushtarak. Amal mushtarak means common term. It's an Arabic word. Okay, right. So I'm going to take amal mushtarak and then I'm going to put equal to 0. This equal to 0. Right. How I'm going to take amal mushtarak? Look carefully. Right. Yes. Is there a 3 here? Yes, 3 here. I'm taking 1 3 out. Is there x here and is there x here? Yes. 1 x I'm taking out. Is there one more x here? One more x here? Yes. I'm taking one more x like again. Okay. Is there anything common now? X is here? No. 2 is here? No. That's it. Now the remaining terms, remaining in Arabic baki. So we are going to put the baki inside. What are they? X, x minus 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are what? 16 is equal to 0. Clear? Right. So this equals 3. X is what? X square. X is what? X square. Minus 16 is equal to 0. Whenever two products are equal to 0, each product is equal to 0. 3x square is equal to 0 and x square minus 16 is equal to 0. So divide by 3. So x is equal to what? 0. Clear everybody? Right. Now x square minus 16 equal to 0. So take your calculator. If you take your calculator, use mode 5 3. When you use mode 5 3, the screen will ask you A, B, C. A is mu'amal x square, which is 1 here. B is mu'amal x. Is there any x here? No, 0. And C is rakam minus 16. Press 1 equal, 0 equal, minus 16 equal. And then you will get x1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to negative 4. So these are the answers for this question. Clear all of you? Look at the equation. Actually the degree is what? 4. If the degree is 4, you should have 4 answers. But right now we have 3 answers. See here 1, 2 and 3. Actually here x square is equal to 0. So it means what? It has 2 values inside. But normally we don't write 0 2 times. Is it okay? Right. So this is polynomial type of equations. Let us do the next question also the same type. So what is the question given? Solve. 36x cube minus 100x is equal to 0. So 36x cube minus 100x is equal to 0. Right. So first of all, I need to do this 36. So come on, do this 36. 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 3 is 6. 3. And then 4 3 is 2. 12. And then 2. And then 2. Then the next is 2 1. So 36, I can write it as what? 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times x and then x minus. Next I'm going to do 100. So if I do 100, 2 times 50, 2 times 25, 5 and then 5 1. So how many 2's are there? Which is 2 times, can you help me? Yes, 5 times x equal to 0. I'm sorry, nobody is helping here, right? So 5 x is equal to 0, right? Now I'm going to take Amil Mushtarak is equal to 0, right? So what are the terms getting cancelled? Let's see. Yes, 3 is not getting cancelled because there is no 3 on both sides. Yes, 1 2 it's coming out. 1 2 is coming out. Okay, right? And then 1x is coming out. 1x is coming out, right? Yes. And the remaining is Baki 3 3. So it is 3. It is 3. And also here xx. So x and then x. Okay, minus here 5 how much? 25 equal to 0, right? So let me open this bracket, 25 and then bracket close, equal to 0. So 2 2 is how much? 4x. 3 3 is how much? 9. So 9x square minus 25 equal to what? 0, right? If two products are equal to 0, each product is equal to 0. 4x equal to 0 and then 9x square minus 25 equal to 0. So divide by 4 and divide by 4. So you will get what? X is equal to 0, right? Now take your calculator. Yes, mod 5 but then 3. So if you use this, the screen will ask A, B, C. What's your A? Mu Amil x square 9. What's your B? It is 0. What's your C? Negative 25. Keep in your mind every time you forget this negative. Yes. Come on, press equal. You will get two answers. X1 equals how much? Let me use the calculator. Yes, x1 equals 5 by 3 and x2 equals negative 5 by 3. So these are the two answers from this side and this is the third answer. Look here. What is the degree of this equation? Power 3. So if it is power 3, how many answers you should get? 3 answers you should get. Clear all of you? You can check your answers correct or not in the calculator. How? I will tell you. Listen carefully. How to check these answers are correct. How to check these answers are correct, right? Just a quick shortcut I'll tell you. If you want, you can use it. Otherwise, you can skip this step because you want to make sure your answer is correct inside the exam room. What is the first question? The first question is 3x power 4 minus 48x square equal to 0. This is the first question. What is the second question? The second question is 36x cube minus 100x is equal to 0, right? The first question, what are the answers you got? You got x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 4. And what is the answer you got here? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 5 by 3 and x is equal to negative 5 by 3, right? How to check in the calculator? It's just a fraction of 1 minute. Take your calculator, type this equation. Don't equal 0, don't type. Only type this one. Type this left side only. How you will type? 3 alpha x power 4 minus 48 alpha x square. That's it. This bracket will not come. So alpha x power 4 minus 48 x square. And then press calc. Press what? Calc. If you press calc, the calculator will ask you x question mark. Come on, give this value 0 first. If you press 0 and then press equal, you will get this number. What is this number here? 0. Are you getting 0? Yes. Again press x is equal to 4 and then press equal, you will get 0. X is equal to minus 4, press equal, you will get 0. Zahir, should I get every time 0? No. What is the answer in this side? You will get it. But in this equation, both the answers are 0. So you have to get 0 in the calculator. Same thing here also, type this equation. type. Again, I'm saying type. Only the left side, only the left side. What you will type? 36 alpha x power 3 minus 100 alpha x. And then press calc. If you press calc, put x is equal to 0. You will get 0. Press equal. Put x is equal to 5 by 3. Again press calc. Okay. And you will get 0. Put x is equal to, again press calc. X is equal to negative 5 by 3. You will get 0. Do I need to get 0 every time? No, no, no. Keep in your mind, this answer you should get it in the calculator. But for this question, you are having 0 on the left hand side. Clear all of you? Right. This is a quick check. Normally nobody does this one, but it's okay. You can check also because you want to make sure your answer is correct. Yes. Let's go to the next one. Now the polynomial equation, still it is going on, right? Yes. So the polynomial equation means power is what? More, right? Yes. Keep in your mind. So x power 4 minus 3x square plus 2. So this is a little different type of equations. Keep in your mind. Solve. And this is x power 4 is there and then constant is there. Same type, we did one equation, that is the first equation. Can you see that? The first equation is what? X power 4 and x square. And there is a no constant term. Look at here, this is the first equation. And we are using factoring. But here, we are not using factoring. We are using another method. Just listen carefully. Why I have to use, I'll tell you. If the question is x power 4 and x square, only these two things, you have to use factoring. Keep in your mind. Okay. If your question is x power 4, x square and constant term. Again, I'm telling. If the question is x power 4, x power 2 and constant term, then you have to use the method what I'm going to use now. What is the method? I'm going to put x square is equal to t in the equation. X square is equal to what? T in the equation. So what are the things available in the equation? In the equation, I have x power 4 is there, I have x square is there, and then I have constant is there, right? Look here, this is x power 4 and we have x square is there and we have constant term is there. So if all the threes are there, then use the method, put x square is equal to t and x power 4 is equal to t square. How I got x power 4 is equal to t square? Just you square this one, x square, the square is equal to t power 2. So this is x power 4 is equal to what? T square. So these are the two substitutions you need to remember. So what is your equation? Your equation is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 2 equal to 0. So x power 4, I'm going to put what? T square minus 3 times x square, I'm going to put it as what? T plus 2 equal to 0. Wow. Now look here, it is converted into what? Quadratic equations. So immediately I can use mode 5 and 3. Teacher, can't we use the calculator here itself? X power 4. X power 4 we cannot use in the calculator. Impossible. There is no mode for x power 4 in your model 991 ES Plus. It is available in the little higher versions. Okay, right. So mode 5 3. If I use mode 5 3, come on everybody, take your calculator. Mode 5 3. If I use A, P, C in the screen, it will come. What is A? A is nothing but 1. Coefficient mu'amal t square. What is B? Mu'amal t, which is minus 3. Don't forget this minus. And the C is the rakam, which is 2. Right. So when you press equal, 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 you will get x1 equals. x1 is equal to how much you get? x1 is equal to I got 2 and x2 is equal to I got 1. Yes, you will also get it. Nothing to worry. But all the equations so far we did is x. But right now the equation is in what? T. Keep in your mind. So the answers which you got it for this equation is t is equal to 2 and t is equal to 1. Okay. So two answers we got it. What are the answers we got it? We got the first answer, t is equal to 2 and t is equal to 1. Right. Is this the answer for this question? No. We give answers in terms of x because your question is what? In terms of x. So therefore, what is your t? Your t is I substituted x square equals t. And what is your t? X square is equal to 1. Right. Now again I have to find the value of x. Very simple. X square, you take this to this side, minus 2 equal to 0. X square minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Go to calculator, mode 5 and 3. So press A, B, C. What is your A? 1. B, 0. C, negative 2. So what I'm going to get? X equals root 2. X equals negative root 2. Are you getting this value? Check it out. Let me wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Right, again here also you press mode 5, 3. Already you are in the same screen. A, B, C. Press A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to negative 1. How, teacher? 1 here, there is no X, so 0 and the constant is negative 1. So you are getting x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to negative 1. So what is your answer? X equals 1 comma minus 1. How many answers we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So look at the equation, degree, highest power, it is x power 4. When it is x power 4, how many answers? 4 answers we have to get it. So all the 4 answers we got it? Yes. Very nice, right? Superb. So it's a very fantastic question. Actually the power is 4. We are reducing into power 2. We are using the calculator. Then again going back to the x value and we are getting the answer. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. Now the polynomial equation is over. Now we are going for radical equation. Radical means what? Square root. Yes, radical means what? Square root. So what is the equation? Square root of 3x plus 1 is equal to 7. In the school you already studied. If you want to remove the square root, you have to square on both sides. Right? Why? Teacher, why you are putting square? Because square root means what? Power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2. So for power 1 by 2, if I take power 2, this 2 cancels. Clear? So you get the original value. Okay teacher, it is square root, I am taking power 2. If it is some other number, for example you see, same question if I give 3x plus 1 whole power 5 by 3. What you will do? Just get the number which is in flip stage. What is that teacher? 3x plus 1 5 by 3. I want to cancel this 5 by 3. What I should do? Take 3 by 5. So what happens? 5 cancel, 3 cancels. Okay, right. Okay teacher, suppose I have this one. X square plus 1 to the power of 3 by 2 I have. What I should do? No problem. 3 by 2, take 2 by 3. Automatically 2, 3 gets cancels. Clear all of you? Right. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to square this one and I'm going to square this one. So this equals square root of 3x plus 1, right? And then whole square is equal to 7 square. So root will go 3x plus 1 is equal to 49. So 3x is equal to 49 and this one goes that side minus 1. So 49 minus 1 is what? 3x is equal to 48. So divide by 3 and divide by 3. So x is equal to how much? Which is 16. Clear all of you? Right? Yes. Now let's go to the next question. Again, this is also what? Radical equation. So now look at the equation. X minus 5 to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to 8. Okay. One more point I'll tell you. When you're taking square, be careful. You have to take it on both sides. Usually you forget this idea in the exam. One side you will take, another side you will not take it. So keep in your mind, whatever you are doing on the left side, you should do it on the right side also. Make this point is very important in your book. Okay. So both the side I have to take what? The square on both sides. Whatever the powers you are taking, it should be both sides. Okay, what is the power here? It is power is 3 by 2. So when the power is 3 by 2, what should I take? 2 by 3. Why? 3 by 2 multiply 2 by 3. It gives what? It gives 1. But that should be taken on both sides. Keep in your mind, both sides you have to take it. Both sides you have to take it. Yes. So what is inside now? X minus 5 to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to 8. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to take it as power 2 by 3. I'm going to take it as power 2 by 3. Right. Now what happens? This 2 gets cancelled. 3 gets cancelled. So x minus 5 is equal to, put in the calculator 8 to the power of 3. 2 by 3. Come on. Press 8. Then fraction mode. You know fraction mode? What is fraction mode? This is called fraction mode. So press 2 by 3. 8 to the power of 2 by 3. You will get 4. So you will get 4. So x equals, this 5 goes that side. So 4 plus 5. So x is equal to what? 9. Clear all of you? Wow. This is also one of the important questions. Keep in your mind. And this is also important questions. So because it's easy to get this, also very important. Keep in your mind. Okay. Right. So let's go to the next question. The next question is the last question. And this question we call it as what? This question we call it as what? Can you tell me? Rational equations. Okay, everybody? Right. So let's start this question. X plus 1 divided by 3 minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Right. This is a simple way. This they are asking what? Solve the equations. Right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you simple idea which you studied in the school. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. How you studied in the school? We do cross multiplication. In Arabic we call it as what? Magas, right? So 2 multiply 5, right? Minus 1 multiply 3 divided by 3 multiply 5. Clear all of you? Right. The same idea I'm going to follow. So let me multiply this by this, okay? And let me multiply this one. So what happens now? X plus 1 multiply by x plus 2, right? Minus 3 multiply by what? X plus 1 equal to what? 0, right? Not only this, divide by, what is that? 3 times x plus 2 equal to 0. Can I write this 0 as 0 by 1? Yes, you can write. 0 by 1 is what? 0. Right. Now again I'm going to do magas on both sides. Magas means cross multiply. Magas means what? Cross multiply. Magas is an Arabic word. Cross multiply. So when I cross multiply, this one goes this side and this goes this side, right? So this one will be going what? This side. So this side what happens? It becomes 0. So what is remaining? X plus 1 times x plus 2 minus 3 times x plus 1 equal to what? 0, right? Now what is our question? The question is solve. So I'm going to take Amal Mushtarak. So what is Amal Mushtarak? X plus 1 Amal Mushtarak, x plus 1 Amal Mushtarak. I'm going to take one time outside, okay? I'm going to take what? One time outside. So we will get x plus 1 as out. What is inside? X plus 2 minus 3 is inside equal to 0. Inside means baki. So x plus 1 times x plus 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1 is equal to 0. When two products are equal to 0, each one is equal to 0. Clear everybody? Right. So x equals what? This one goes that side, minus 1. This goes this side, x equals what? Plus 1. So we got x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to plus 1. So this finishes what? Your exercise 1.6 is finished. Clear all of you? Clear or not? Yes. So that's all for today's lesson, which is Math 001 1.6 exercise. Remember, always highlight the keywords in the questions before solving, right? This will make your work much easier and clear, right? Clearer, you can say like that. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more step-by-step solutions in Math 001. Stay tuned for the next video where we continue with more exercise. See you all of you. Take care. Bye-bye.